Oops, oops. Good morning. It is actually early, like 9 in the morning, I think. What time is it actually? Not even 9 in the morning. That's a miracle. Today's day 41. Let's see what we're going to be doing this morning. Make 3 larger tags using only 3 colors of paint. May add black or white when done. All right, I'll be right back. This is what I pulled out of my little box back there that has some tag making supplies in it. I had this thrown in there, just a manila tag. It's a little large. And I had this cardboard, I don't know what came on here, flowers or something. And so I'm going to cut these two apart. I'm going to take the tag that I've already got and kind of help me create the tag shape at the top, and I'll just have a different width and a different length. I'll do that real quick. Let's just tear these apart. Okay. This one needs to be trimmed up a little bit. All right. Then I'll take the shape of this one. Nah, I'll just make my own. Okay, some holes on the top. All right, we've got 3 tags to work with. Okay, so I've got paint pulled out. What I've got also is 2 sponges, and these are little stamps I made a long time ago, a little heart shape and a petal or leaf shape, whichever one you want it to be. And these are just made from kitchen sponges, and I'm going to use those as my stamps. First I'm going to put down a layer of this color here. And if I would sit straight in my chair, that might help. I'm sitting sideways. I don't know why. Side saddle crafting. Okay. I'm just going to put down a layer of paint. And I'll probably need another coat. Okay, I like it like that. It's not completely covered. Some of the tags showing through. I'm not even going to dry this. I'm going to take my sponge while this paint is still damp, and I'm going to put my second color down. And what I'm going to do is take this one here, this shape, and I'm going to coat it. I'm going to make 3 petals, say one here, here, and here. And then I'm going to take my brush, just winging it here, just making this up as I go. And I'm going to dip it into the paint and try to give myself a little stem here. There we go. That's good enough. Then I'm going to take the green and I'm going to put my heart sponge in the green and pick up paint. I'm going to give myself a couple of leaves in a heart shape. So I think I want a little bit more red on my petals. So we'll do another coat. Do this one here. This one. And this one. There we go. Okay, there's my 3 colors on my tag. I'm going to go ahead and dry this a little bit. Okay, that's pretty dry. And I'm going to get the excess paint off of my brush here. Okay, I've got a little bit of green out on my mat here. I'm going to take the end of my brush and dip it in that. And it's going to go down the stem a little bit at an angle. Just a little bit of an angle there. Give it a little bit of stripy look. And then I'm going to take the tip of my heart, just the little tip here, the little edge of the round, stick it in there, and give the flower a little bit of a green look right there. Okay, you can only use these 3 colors. That's a bummer. I think I'll just put a little stamping up here. Maybe a little bit at the bottom. I like that. Okay, we're going to stop on this and we'll go to the next one. And we'll come back to this when we add our black and white. Okay, we're ready to do the next one. I was going to show you real quick the 2 starter tags I started yesterday when I did the little manila folder project. I've added the excess paint from the violet color onto the extra paper that I put on the tags, and I think these are really cute. In fact, this one's like, I love that one just the way it is. I may leave it. So the other starter tag from today is this one, which is kind of cool. I love this right here. And then of course we have this one. So here I am nagging about the tags again. Just call me the tag nagger. I'm gonna have everybody doing starter tags if it kills us. Okay. All right, let's do these 2 colors. Okay, we're going to start back with the first tag that we were working on. While I was drying, I was thinking of taking black paper and putting it on here, but I didn't like it. I pulled out 2 stencils. These little stencils here, no idea where they came from. Oh yeah, I do. Saw Crafters, S.A. Crafters, I think is her name. I don't know if she still sells stuff or not. So I have these little circles. They're like bubbles almost. And this little brick stencil. So what I want to do is I'm going to add a black bubble-ish looking shape into the center of my petals, probably the big one there. And then I'm going to take this brick stencil, I'm going to lay it down on top here. It's perfect size actually, and I'm going to try to stencil in around where I don't have color, just hints of it to give you the illusion. I'm not going to try and be perfect and get it all filled in, and I'm going to do that through the whole tag. I don't know how I feel about this, honestly. It's not how I would normally create a tag, but that's the whole fun of this prompt thing. I may take a black pen and come in and bring my petals out more. So I'm going to do the other 2. Okay, now what I want to do is bring back in the color that's the background color, because I'm not loving the black back there. I'm going to push back the brick a little bit, just a little bit, by going over it with the same stencil. Okay, I like it better. Oops, oops, oops. Now, I have to say, I love that. I didn't mean to do it. I didn't mean to do it. I wasn't cheating. I just accidentally did it. I love it, though. I love it. See, that's what I want to do. I want to bring in more color and change it around. And okay. All right, don't panic. Don't panic. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Nobody saw that. All right, let's put the yellow out that goes with this tag. It's just going to be a happy accident, and I'm going to love it just because it's there. I don't want to cover it. I don't want to put yellow on that. But I'm trying to be good and do what the prompt says. I can pull rank, you know, because this is my prompt that I made up. I mean, somebody else might have made it up, but I made it up for this project. I didn't go get prompts from any place. Okay. Oh, that's just my favorite part of the whole thing. Right there. All right. Time to do this one. Get the purple, though, Laurie. Get the purple. I like that dark area right there. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to take this Uniball Vision Elite first and put some black on there and see if I like it. Gotta think. Okay, while I was thinking, I distressed the edges with black soot distress ink. Don't love them. I'm not gonna hate them, just don't love them. I am gonna add a black sticker. Now these are black and white, so I can't add those, but I can add this one and this one. And I don't know if I'll like it, but I'm going to do it. And it's a sticker, it's called a laptop sticker. You can put them on your laptop and you can peel them off easily, but I'm gonna use it for this and see if it works. Kind of like it. Still want to do more to these. I may wind up cutting these up and making them smaller sections of something that look cool. All right, and then I have this one left. I can't use these, so let me find something else. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do to these today, but I really think I'm gonna be rearranging these and changing them up and either cutting them or, I don't know, I'm gonna do something different. Today we did what we were supposed to do. We used 3 colors and black or white at the end, and that's all I'm gonna do. So these will be considered unfinished, and my favorite thing that came out of the day, this tag, and this tag, and this tag. These 3 starter tags. All right, I will see you tomorrow for day number 42. All right, guys, see you later. Bye-bye.